How to log out of Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can log out from Messenger. Let's dive right in. First, open Messenger app. Now you can see the menu option right here. Tap on menu. Now here you just tap on your profile. Tap on it. Now you can see you have signed into your account. Now tap on log into another account. Okay, now once you tap on log into another account, you will be automatically logged out from that account. Just enter your new account right here, enter the email and password and log in. Once you log in, you can just switch the account and remove that account from your device, and that's it. That's how you can log out from Messenger. You can also directly log out from Facebook and also log out from Messenger at once, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.